Hey guys, I'll be doing some walkthrough solves of 4x4 using Hoya method. So let's get started. First scramble. Okay. I see a red bar, this red piece here, and another red piece here, followed by orange, which is not so good. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So not so good. So let me do the red one first. So I do this, pair this up, do this, and then make the orange bar, search for the orange piece here, insert. Now orange and red are done. Now I do the white. So I switch this, pair this up, bring it down. Now I have to do blue as per color scheme. And is this solved? No. Okay. And one more blue. Now comes the main part, which is doing the Hoya centers. So I see this and this, so I bring this down and insert it. Then I do a D prime. I see this and its following pair is here, so insert this and then insert this. Then I see blue, and blue's corresponding piece is here, which I pair it with RU to R prime and then insert it RU prime R. The final one is here and here, so an F prime would be good to make it straight, and then insert. I have this case now, so I just do this and green center is done. Oh, not now, sorry. You just have to conserve the edges and then do the green center. Okay, now completing the cross. Now simple edge pairing as per Yao. So let me just see. A bad start, but okay. I see this and I paired this green yellow. Then I search for the, oh, it's already done. One more slice and search for this piece, put it here, search for green and then final green color, which is not there, but I see these two, so I put any one, do a double slice and then put any one of them back accordingly. Okay, so now all the edges are done. So I see this, so I complete it, and I see this and this, and it's normal F12 actually. Okay. And parity, and OLL, and again a parity, yeah, again a parity. Okay. Scramble. Okay, let's see. Okay, nothing much fancy. It's good for Yao as these blocks are there, but for other colors it's nothing much special. I have this green thing, and okay, just let me start with green. So I bring this here and this and this, so done. And now blue already one bar is done, pair it up, insert. Now I do the white followed by red. Standard stuff, all this. Now the important part is the Hoya. I see these two, so L prime U F2, insert, and I do this R prime, so that one edge is almost done while I do it next time. I extract this out, put it in. Now I have yellow to do, orange, sorry, insert, and last one, which is here, I extract it out, pair it and insert. Now this two, I do this and then make it, so done. Now edge pairing, this two, and these two are already done. Slice, this is also already done, and on the top I have 4 unsolved edges, so I won't have parity, so I will replace any of them. Then I bring the blue, green, and finally this one. So no parity. And okay, this one exciting F12 pair, take this out and put it in, and then this and this, pair it, insert, and okay, this two, and finally this I insert to sledgehammer, and again a parity, but this parity is good as it will give me a 6 move OLL, this one key case. And okay, this again PLL parity, I do a T pump and then that's it. Okay, third scramble. Okay, this scramble looks good as there is a blue bar and my recognition towards blue is good. Another good thing is that these two blue are one mover, they can be done in one move. So I just shift this bar and connect these blues and bring it in. Now this bar has already been done, so I insert it up. Then I see this and this, so I pair it and insert it. And now I do the white and then the orange one, and now the Hoya edges. So this two which I like, even though this is done, I have no energy to look around where the red piece will be, but I see these two, so I displace the red, pair them and do it. Now since I've this is done, so I do an R prime. Since I've displaced red, I'll always do a D so that I can always replace it and continue my search. It is here. Okay, finally it came here. Again a D prime and see the last blue pair. So we always want to keep the good edge down and bad edge in the front, so that easy insertion can be made in Hoya. So I bring this here down and do this, and I have this too. So I first conserve and then insert. Okay, this and okay, here. Okay, I see these two are done, these two are done, so I do the flipping algorithm first and I have this two done. Now I see this and this, I bring it here, see this color, see it here, slice, bring it back, then I see this color. Okay, so looks really bad edge pairing. This two again they need to be solved, and last two. So this was really bad edge pairing. I had to do 3 edge swaps, but okay, anyways the F12 looks promising. And finally, again a parity and a T case, most probably a J pump, yeah. Okay. So it was a better solve. Okay, the third scramble, it's nice L-shaped blue that I have, and I also have this bar at the top. So I can do this L-shaped blue by R2, U prime R2, and conserve this bar. Then I see that these two have to be done, so I pair them up and do them. Now I see again an L of white, then I see this which I just make it into a bar, and this bar, so I solve it. And then starting with the Hoya edges, I have this two which is quite easy to spot, R U to R prime, U R U prime, R prime, D2 because I see this, and I insert this and I see that this is the corresponding edge. Now I can insert this one, considering that I have to do blue, and I see that blue is quite far away. It's it's here only, so I have to take it out, put it in, do a D2 again, and the advantage is that somehow I solved this. So I hide it and complete the last two centers. Okay. Now edge pairing. So first this, then this, then this, slice, this, and finally I have again this two edges case, but this time it's different. So while I put any one of them and do a slice, through the through the L move only I have to insert the last edge, so it's just a different case. So this looks a promising F12. I had a pair made, and another thing is that I have these two, which is one of my favorite ones, and I have these two, and finally I have this dot case. Okay, fine, it's okay, as long as I don't have parity I'm happy. And okay, this case, so RU R prime and undo. That's it. Thanks.